Hey guys, welcome back to FX Action Trader Weekly Market Live Analysis. So it's good to have you guys again here. So we'll be starting very soon in another 1 minute. So please invite your friends to join us. And let me do some announcement before we start the live analysis. So for your information, every Friday we are having how to say on every Friday before the market ends, we are going to have a Zoom discussions among all the traders in my Telegram group. And this Zoom discussion is free of charge. And during the Zoom discussion, I'll be sharing some technical analysis, some technical knowledge, and some skill on how can you analyze your trading chart. So please make sure you are at you have joined our Telegram free trade discussion group so that you will not miss out the Zoom discussion on every Friday. And also one more thing, on next week on this week onwards, on every Wednesday, I'm going to organize an advanced Zoom discussion to all my premium channel subscriber. And to subscribe my channel is very simple. You just need to sign up a hot forex trading account with us, and I'll be sharing the link with you guys later on. Or you guys can drop us a message to get the link to sign up. And there is a 100% deposit bonus for those who deposit more than 100 US dollar and above. And when you sign up a trading account with us, what you will get is that you'll be getting a weekly access to my Zoom discussion, and also you will be getting the access to FX Action Trader premium channel, whereby I'll be sharing all my live trade calls with you guys. All right, so let's move on to today's analysis. All right. So on euro dollar, last week we could see that last week I was expecting market to retest this resistance level, because this resistance level is a very important level to retest, because this is also our daily previous high, and we have another daily previous high at here. All right. All right, so if you look on H4 chart, if we base on the chart pattern, what we can see is that market has been tested this resistance for 1, 2, and 3. And on the third test, we could see some rejection here. But this evidence alone is not enough for me to go for a sell trade. And what I'm looking for next confirmation is that I'm going to look for this key level at here to be broken, whereby when this level is broken and market created a new low, I'll be going to look for a sell trade for this euro dollar. And for the pound dollar, if you look on the H4 chart, what we can see is that market is still in a very clear uptrend, but we need to take note of this previous daily high level or this daily resistance level into consideration. All right, so if we look on the H4 chart, we can see that there is a minor resistance level at here. So if this high was broken, we will be having some space for market to go up. There is about 70 pips. But if the uptrend trend line is broken, all right, we should bear in mind that the trend might be reversed into a sell trend now. All right, so let us move to the next pair, the New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollar, if you look on daily chart and also H4 chart, obviously market is still in a buy trend, but I'm not advising you to buy at this high level, whereby I'm looking at area like this. All right, I'm looking at area like this. So we just wait patiently for market to pull back to this area, and we wait for the entry signal for buy at this area on our lower time frame. All right, let us have a look on gold. All right, gold last week was pretty interesting. We saw there is a break of resistance level here, and I was expecting market to, if you have a buy trade call at here, my advice to take profit is at Fibonacci retracement area around 50%. And there is a very unfortunately, there is a stop hunt here, whereby all the buy order get stop loss triggered. So we can see that from this Fib retracement, market got rejected at 38.2 level and continue to head down. All right, so let us make the chart clearer. If you look on daily chart, obviously the market is going to drop. All right, for me it's more like a trend continuation. So if market pull back to this zone, we can look for another sell signal. All right, just to be very safe, we just put the first take profit level at the bottom of the previous low. All right, because gold is getting volatile nowadays because due to some international news or the vaccine news or even the COVID-19 news, the gold become very volatile. So try to trade this pair with a very good risk and money management. All right, so let us have a look on this euro yen. So on euro yen, if we look on H4, obviously market is in a downtrend. All right, we can see that market is keep on making new low and breaking the low. Okay, so now we are coming to a zone whereby it is a possible support zone because we see that market starting to reject out at this zone, but unfortunately market was not able to break this previous important zone at here. And what we see is that if we're looking at this candlestick formation at here, what we can see is that this is actually an evening star. All right, an evening star price action, meaning that market is still in a sell bias and the sellers are still in control of the entire market. So I'm not going to ask you to sell at this support area, but what if we look on the lower time frame chart, we can see that the uptrend trend line is actually broken. All right, the uptrend trend line is actually broken. So there are few ways that you can choose for an entry. All right, the first is that you can put a pending order at here. To be very safe, you can put a pending order at here, or you can put a pending order at here, which is about to trigger. So if you want to be extra safe, to be more conservative, you can wait for market to break this low. You can wait for market to break this low, and then only you enter after the retracement. All right, but overall, I'm going to expect that for this euro yen, market is going to drop for this week. Okay, let us move to the pound yen. So on pound yen H4 chart, what we can see is that if we look at the big picture at here, we're focusing at this area, the overall big picture. What we can see is that market is actually dropping. This is a pullback, and looks like the trend is going to continue drop because the previous low at here is actually broken, and what market is doing now is actually doing the retracement. Okay, so, and if we put on our SNR, right guys, trading is very simple. It's just how good are you at putting things all in together, how good are you in combining everything from A to Z, and there you can tell a story from the market. This is a very strong resistance zone, and I'm expecting market to pull back to retest again this zone and show symptoms of weak rejection because something like the market is not able to break out new high level, and at here we look for another short signal. All right, my target is at here, the fresh zone at here. Let us move to the last pair. All right, so these are Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie on daily chart, obviously we can see that there's a downtrend sideways and looks like the trend is going to continue down. And on H4, market is actually in a very clear sideways movement. All right, market is in a sideways movement. And if we put on the trend line together, we can see that market got rejected. So I'm expecting that if this trend line is broken, what we can do is that we can trade on a sell trade, and a very safe take profit area would be at the previous support zone. Right. will be at here to be very safe. But I need one more confirmation for market to break this trend line or the market to retest again the previous top at here. And then only we look for a sell trade. So this is for the Euro Aussie. So let us look for one more pair today. Aussie Yen. So on Aussie Yen, H4 shows a very clean trend formation or a very clean trend structure. All right. And we can see that market break the previous low, previous support, and now it's undergoing a pullback. And if we move on the H1, what we can do is actually trade after this trend line is broken. So for those who attended my Zoom discussion on Friday, you guys should know how to use trend line very wisely in terms of multiple time frame analysis from direction analysis using trend line and from entry analysis by using trend line. So for those who really want to learn trading, you can join my Zoom discussion on every Friday, and I'll be sharing with you how do I trade, how do I see the market, and how do I analyze the market. So if you want to join my group, just put in the comment below and I'll drop you the link to join my group. All right, so for this Aussie Yen, I'm looking for market to give me one more confirmation, all right, which is breaking this trend line, pull back again, and at here, I'm going to take my sell entry. All right, so these are all the market, these are all the analysis for this coming week. And on Wednesday, I'm going to do a mid-week review with some advanced coaching for all my premium channel members. So how to join my premium channel is very simple. Just sign up an account with us. All right, just sign up an account with us. What you need to do is that you just need to deposit a minimum of 100 US dollar, and you'll be getting the access to my premium channel where I share my trade costs, and also you'll be getting access to my advanced Zoom coaching classes on every Wednesday. All right, guys, see you guys again on next Sunday. Have a good trading week and have a good day ahead. Goodbye.